All right. Okay, so here it is. You've asked, I've listened. A lot of people have been asking, want to try before they buy. So here's what I'm doing. For the month of September, you can try the trial chat room, 7 days, absolutely free, no obligation on your part. It's going to include my daily setups. They go out every single night. Those are overnight trades. You're going to get the 5-minute setups. And you're also going to get the first trade of the day. It's all going to be on the charts. So this is the time. If you're interested in trying it, this is the time to do it. All of September, try before you buy. So just if you're interested, you need to send us an email. We'll send you the link to the special, and we will get you all set up. So just go to binaryprostrategies.com. There is a link to contact us. Tell us you're interested in the free trial, and we'll send you the link to get you set up on the free trial. All right, all of September. So now you can try before you buy. I know there's a lot of skeptics out there. So what a better way to show you that what I have is really something special. It does work. So now you can try it for a full week. Try it for a full week. Give it a shot. If you don't like it, cancel. No obligation on your part. Won't cost you a penny. If you decide to stay, it's only $50 a month to stay with it. But like I said, no obligation. You can make that decision, all right? So send us an email. Go to binaryprostrategies.com. Shoot us your email, and we'll get you set up on the special. That's it. Have a good day. All right, welcome everybody for another weekly recap. Week ending on September 10th, 2021. Really good week overall. One of the best ones I've had in a while. We had a lot of really strong volatility this week. Definitely took advantage of it. Plus, I was a little bit more aggressive this week. As I come into this new week, I'm not going to be trading very much. I've got other projects that I'm actually working on for you guys, so I won't be trading all that much. So I was a little bit more aggressive this week knowing that. So nonetheless, let's take a look at our stats first, and then we'll look at my CB numbers. Once again, these are what we call naked setups. What that means is that when we get a particular setup, this is going to be for one of 5 setups that come with the core package. It's called PAP, P-A-P, and what that means is that without any additional filtration, if you were to just blindly take the buy or the sell, this is the win ratio, okay? So I don't suggest that you trade blindly like that. There's more to trading than just looking at signals. Once again, anybody that offers you a signal service, meaning it's very black and white, folks, sorry to tell you, but 99.9%, if not 100 of them, will not work. There's more to trading than just closing your eyes and following somebody's buy and sell signals, okay? There's a lot more to it than that. So with that in mind, I don't suggest you do it, but what I'm trying to show here is I can certainly put the odds in your favor out of the gate. So if you're new or you're a seasoned trader, I can certainly help put those odds in your favor that it is going to be a win. All right, but once again, there's more to it than that, and that's what we teach. In the core package, we show you how to filter these trades, win the trade, win not the trade, which is even more important than win the trade is knowing when not the trade. We'll teach you all those things. But that being said, let's look at the stats for the week. As you can see, as I mentioned, I've been focusing on the Euro-US and the US yen. Continued to be very, very strong. As you can see, very, very close to the Aussie-US this week. But I will go into this next week, continuing to focus on the Euro-US and the US yen. Once again, not going to be trading that much, but that's going to be my main focus. Probably more in the yen than anything, but I will be doing some euro as well. First trade of the day, I've added a new column if you haven't noticed. First trade of the day pair. I'm also showing you what pair that I'm taking on the first trade of the day. Now, does it make a difference? Absolutely. There are some pairs that are stronger than others on the first trade of the day. So if you wanted to increase your odds a little bit, you can go with the first trade of the day based on the strongest pairs. And I do share that in the core package. I'll let you know what pairs are the strongest, or what pair is the strongest for the first trade. And you can increase your probabilities a little bit by focusing on those particular, on that particular pair. All right. So that being said, I had 2 losing days this week. Total of 5, of course. I trade total of 5 different first trade of the days in the morning. 2 of them were losers, so that's why I get the 60%. But the evening, the night trading was 80%. I had a single loss. So the average for the week overall really was closer to 70%. But that being said, once again, not taking always just that first trade. It just starts off the day or the evening most of the time on a winning note. Okay, so that being said, good week overall. Once again, continue to be strong on the U.S. yen and the Euro U.S. As far as CB, I had one of my better weeks in a while. I had some really, really strong day. Thursday was my strongest. Thursday nights, we do a lot of what we call CB trading. I had a great Thursday night. Actually had a really good day Thursday as well, trading CB. So that day was extremely strong, meaning that we just had a lot of setups. The thing with CB that is not offered in core is our ability to not only trade deep out of the money, but to also scalp. It is more of a scalping technique. I had a lot of good volatility, and I was able to get not only get some nice premium, but also was able to get a lot of setup. So just a great week for CB. That being said, this next week, as I said, I am going to be trading a lot less. I am working on some projects here, so I won't be trading as much. But nonetheless, I will still be in the chat room. Once again, we're open. We have a morning session, and that is from 9 to 4 Eastern Time and 8 to 10 in the evening. We do a lot of trading here, folks. We are traders, all right? We are not somebody that is just marketing our methods. We are actually trading these methods, okay? So we are the real deal, and we have traders that trade with us that are very dedicated to what they do. So we have a lot of really successful traders in our chat room as well. So if you're looking, if you want to know how to trade these binaries, if you want to be more successful, we can certainly get you off on the right track. Once again, it is still going to require you to put in the time and the effort in order to be a good trader. Good trading doesn't happen by somebody just giving you setups. You have to learn how to read the markets. You have to put in a lot of screen time, and you have to be patient, and you have to come up with a plan and stick to your plan, okay? A lot of people have trouble with the emotional part of it. So we suggest that you get into a demo account, okay, simulated account, and you trade until you can become successful in a demo account. And you want to be successful at least for a good month. And now when I say good month, I'm talking on a daily basis. So I would say probably 9 out of every 10 days you should be profitable. At the end of the day, you should have an objective. Once you get to that point and you can be consistent, then you can always decide whether you're ready to go live or not. And then from there, it's just a matter of controlling your emotions and continuing to do what you did in your demo, right? But we do have some ideas for you to make that transition a little bit smoother, and that is also part of the core package. That being said, looking forward for another good week. I think it's going to be a good week for everybody that's trading these binaries. Looking forward to some more explosive days. So I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't have some awesome big days coming up as well. That being said, everybody have a good week, and we'll be back next weekend for our next weekly recap. Good luck, good trading, and we'll talk to you then.